Every orange juice bottle begins here, in the quiet hours of an orchard at sunrise.
Each fruit is hand-selected at peak ripeness for maximum sweetness and juice yield.
Skilled hands move with practiced efficiency, filling bags at a steady pace.
When a bag reaches 25 kilograms, it's time to move the harvest forward.
Careful handling keeps the fruit undamaged on its journey to the processor.
The process now becomes a product.
Teams work in coordination, keeping the collection bins moving steadily toward the loading area.
Identity is added at speed. Accuracy protects trust. Volume takes shape. Precision finishes the line. Stability ensures survival. Storage becomes readiness. The cycle prepares to repeat. And this is how modern factories produce orange juice from start to finish.
Layer by layer, the harvest collects in field bins designed to protect the fruit.
Mechanized handling begins right here in the grove.
From hand to machine, the harvest begins its journey out of the orchard.
Bin by bin, the day's harvest flows toward the processing plant. The fruit now leaves the intimate rows of the grove and enters the first stage of industrial movement. Each bin is placed with care to keep the oranges intact before loading.
The harvest rhythm continues. Bin after bin arrives at the collection point. Organization begins even in the field. Bins are grouped for efficient transport.
A bridge between orchard and factory arrives, the field transport truck.
Clear communication keeps the loading sequence safe and smooth.
Gentle handling continues. Every orange must arrive undamaged. One bin down, the harvest begins its road journey. Looks secure.
Ready to roll.
2 bins loaded, the truck is ready to carry the harvest forward. From grove to gate, the oranges now travel toward the heart of the factory. The oranges now arrive at the threshold of transformation. Every load is documented before entering the controlled industrial zone.
From field to factory, the journey now enters a highly organized world.
The facility is divided into precise zones, each step tightly controlled.
All right, keep coming straight back. Easy now. And stop.
Precision docking ensures fast, safe unloading.
Every movement is directed. Safety and speed are never compromised.
The fruit is now seconds away from entering the processing stream.
From truck to dock in one clean motion, efficiency defines this stage.
Every bin is weighed to track harvest yield and plant intake.
With weight recorded, the oranges are cleared to enter the cleaning process.
The cleaning process begins with a forceful water curtain that removes field dust and debris.
A final rinse ensures no contaminants remain before sorting. From wet to dry, the fruit now enters the sorting phase. Elevation prepares the harvest for high-volume optical sorting. The fruit is now released into a continuous, high-speed sorting stream. Size grading separates the fruit into consistent categories for uniform processing. Advanced optical systems now evaluate every orange for quality. Only the best fruit continues. Defects are instantly removed. The harvest has been refined, now ready for the heart of juice production. The moment of truth arrives. The oranges now meet the extractors.
High-capacity rotary extractors handle thousands of oranges per hour.
Each fruit is cradled exactly where maximum juice can be released. In seconds, pressure transforms whole fruit into fresh juice and pulp. Pure juice is immediately separated from the solid remains.
Nothing is wasted. The byproducts begin their own journey.
Freshly expressed juice is immediately channeled for further processing.
Powerful pumps move the juice to filtration and de-oiling systems. Coarse filtration removes larger solids before finer clarification. The core of the juice is now ready for the critical transformation stages ahead. Centrifugal force now removes excess essential oil to balance flavor. Recovered oil becomes a valuable byproduct for food and cosmetic industries. With oil removed, the juice is ready for pasteurization and concentration.
Thermal treatment ensures safety while preserving fresh taste.
Rapid heating destroys harmful bacteria in seconds.
Every second at temperature is carefully controlled for perfect pasteurization. Flash cooling locks in freshness and prevents overcooking.
The juice is now safe and stable, ready for concentration. Concentration begins. Water will be removed to create rich orange juice concentrate. Under reduced pressure, water evaporates gently, intensifying natural orange flavor.
Fully automated piping systems distribute the concentrate with precision.
Sensors and robotics replace manual adjustments for flawless flow control. Aseptic tanks preserve concentrate quality for months without refrigeration. Self-cleaning systems maintain sterility between every production run. Robots collect samples without human contact, maintaining perfect hygiene. Continuous monitoring ensures exact concentration every moment.
Real-time corrections keep product specifications locked in.
Automated systems prepare containers for sterile filling at high speed.
Sterile filling protects concentrate from oxygen and contamination.
Every container is hermetically sealed and permanently identified.
Precision blending recreates the perfect juice-to-water ratio. Every parameter is measured continuously to guarantee consistency. Micronutrients and flavor compounds are added with laboratory accuracy. Homogenization creates the characteristic smooth mouthfeel of premium orange juice.
Polishing filtration delivers the brilliantly clear appearance consumers expect.
Precise chilling prepares the juice for safe filling and extends shelf life. Removing oxygen prevents oxidation and preserves fresh flavor. Final optical clarity confirms the juice meets premium standards. The juice is now fully prepared for bottling.
The final transformation begins. Liquid becomes packaged product.
Every bottle now faces a multi-angle quality checkpoint. Precision fill level detection ensures no under or overfills. Sidewall inspection catches even microscopic imperfections. Tamper-evident seals are verified under specialized lighting. Every label is checked for position, clarity, and readable coding. Only perfect bottles continue. Rejects are instantly diverted. Statistical sampling sends bottles to the laboratory for deeper analysis.
Trained sensory experts evaluate appearance before taste.
Laboratory instruments confirm the inline measurements match exactly.
Human sensory approval is the final gate before full production release.